Hey guys, welcome back to another crafty video. I'm the Crafty Gamer, and lately I've been really getting into anything Pokemon lately. Movies, trading card game, Pokemon Go. So for today I want to make something with Pokemon, and I want to make something you can use. So for today we're going to make a Snorlax door hanger out of Hama beads. door hanger should look a little like this. So just hang this on your door and let everybody know that you're trying to sleep or are sleeping or just want to be left alone in general. So yeah, that's it. If you want to know the pattern, check out the link to my website. And don't forget to follow me on Facebook and Instagram. If you want to subscribe to my channel, you can do that on that little button down there. So you get to see more of my videos. Leave a like if you like this video, by the way. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section down below. I'll try to respond as soon as I can. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Stay crafty, guys.